甲台湾看世界，来看美国的总统拜登又搁登达咯，德高倒菜刀。拜登伫一场的典礼，甲乌克兰的总统泽伦斯基讲做是普丁，无偌久，搁甲家己的副手贺锦丽讲做是川普，而且伊民主党的同志嘛真无互伊面子。即摆至少有14个民主党的参众议员公开呼吁拜登爱退选。
Russia will not prevail in this war.
看过读出来，美国总统拜登准备要交予乌克兰的总统泽伦斯基讲话时，想要到啥出现一个严重的停弹。
And now I want to hand it over to the president of Ukraine, who has as much courage as he has determination. Ladies and gentlemen, President Putin. President Putin. He's going to beat President Putin. President Zelensky. I'm so focused on beating Putin.
将专工委几乎来贵宾叫做是克里姆林宫迄个死对头，拜登意识到伊讲唔对话，随改过来，不过后一场的错误，拜登敢若无敢讲。
I wouldn't have picked Vice President Trump to be Vice President, but I think she was not qualified to be president.
这摆是回应记者的问，将本身的副手贺锦丽讲成川普。现场记者一直问，伊煞德高倒菜刀，感觉唔惊民邦质疑美国领导世界的能力。拜登敢若应讲，这届北约峰会真成功。
I always have an inclination, whether I was playing sports or doing politics, just to keep going. In the next debate, I'm not going to be traveling in the 15 time zones a week before.
不管拜登安怎强调新任总统会当做总统，又搁加一个民主党人士主张换点，伊是佛蒙特参议员威尔斯，连民主党的大金主乔治克隆尼嘛写批予媒体，认为拜登应该提选，才当找到强邦打败川普。
ABC and the Washington Post. 67% of those asked said he should step aside given his debate performance. Even a majority of Democrats think the president should exit that.
依照同一份的民意调查，就算川普、拜登的支持度是5分平手，不过拜登的铁票已经生成啊。4年前18到29岁选民，拜登有压倒性优势，不过最近 CNN 民意调查，34岁以下的选民，拜登已经小可输予川普。若是拜登坚定要参选到底，恐惊就会激发挽回少年人的心。
Hello， 我是林仙怡，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。